Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. You guys, I'm feeling this look like nobody business. I'm coming up to you with this kind of glamorous going out makeup look, and at the same time you can still rock it maybe in your casual day time, okay, but specific is for outgoing. Okay, try to keep it as minimal as possible. I'm loving the outcoming of the look. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Without any further ado, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this look, you don't know what to do, just stick around and enjoy. All the products I use are going to be listed down below. No long talking, as always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and be blessed. Take a ciao. Guys, as you all know, to start up, I'm going to start up with my skin first. Primer by Fenty Beauty Mattifying Primer. Fenty Beauty, alright. So I'm going to be applying my primer. My face is already moisturized off camera. So guys, for foundation today, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 430. To blend in my foundation, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place Flat Buffer G103, okay? So guys, I'm going to be taking my Dior Beauty Blender. I'm just going to do extra finish to remove the excess product. My face, under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead and my cupid's bone. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 430 and 410. I'm going to apply 430 first and then I go ahead with 410. To allow that to sit a couple of minutes, and while that is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and contour. To do that, I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade number 7. So right now I'm going to go ahead and blend out my highlights. I'm going to use the beauty blender, the one I used for my foundation earlier on. So I'm going to start right on my chin. To blend in my contour, I'm going to be taking this brush that has no name. I hardly use this brush right here. I hardly use it, so let me try today if it's going to give me that pretty blending seamlessly contour effect. Alright, so yeah, we'll try it if it's going to work on my nose. If not, I still have another option, but it's okay. It's soft, it's not too strong. Because when your brush, the one you use to blend in your contour, when it's too strong, it's not blending your products well. It will tacky on one area, okay? So yeah, it's okay, we are not mad. I'm kind of loving my face at the moment because my face is just so, it looks super dewy, and at the same time not too dewy, soft dewy, you know, soft dewy. We are good to go, girl. So right now, guys, I'm going to use my foundation brush to do the extra finish. You know, we never escape this part. You guys know, you know how we roll. I don't need to measure it all over again. Just that I had to bring a video how I mix it together. Sometimes I just forget, but don't worry. I would do it, don't worry, it's a promise. When it comes to the first layer under my eye, I do like to press it properly before I go in with the second layer. I do know, sometimes I do 3 to 4 layers, okay? I never do 1 layer or 2 layer. I don't want to come here and lie to you. I do 3 to 4 layers. So I press the first layer really to suck in under my eye before I go in with the second layer. This is my face. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this one is a Mocha Mime. Taking this Sephora contour brush, this one right here. For blush, I'm going to be taking this Juvia's Place Bella blush, this one right here. That's this brush blush. You know, guys, sometimes I kind of mix these two words together, blush and brush. Maybe you hear me say it. I'm not saying it in intention, that sometimes it's crazy. I'm going to do my eyebrow off camera. You guys have seen me a million times do my eyebrow, and I'm going to be right back so we can dig it into this eyeshadow. 430, sorry, 430. That is going to be my eye base. Use my setting powder to set it a little bit because this concealer is a bit creamy. So I just want to set it so that my eyeshadow don't crease on me. So guys, let's move to the game of this to color clash palettes. Do you know what I love about this palette? The way to open it, swap me, yeah. Open to swap me right, open to swap me right. It's okay, just take a moment to appreciate this palette. Take a moment to appreciate it. The reason why I got this palette, just because of 2 shades inside this palette. I put color right here and this super pigment pink, and this one is called Finisher, and this one is called, the pink is called Game Changer. Oh my goodness, so pigment, guys, so pigment. Look at it right there. The shade, which is called Finisher, just take a moment to appreciate this golden color. Super beautiful, and it's a velvet. Okay, it's a velvet. As you can see, it's a velvet. Yes, it's velvet. So transition color, which is called Define. I'm going to be taking this brush Smudgebox to take this shade called Finisher, Definer, sorry, as my transition color. Hey guys, the first shade has no fallout. The first shade has no fallout, and at the same time it's very pigment. It's a skin tone shade. All right. Build that shade. I'm going to build it. Okay, I'm going to build it. More darker, this shade right here. I'm going to intensify my crease with it. I'm going to apply that darker all over my crease, all over my eye, and then I go and apply the finisher on top. It called Finisher, this shade right here. I'm just going to use my ring finger to apply that. It's called Madu. Madu. Wow. Yes. Dust, and I'm going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. So I'm going to take this BH Cosmetic brush in number 8. I'm going to be taking this shade darker. I'll be taking this MAC Mirror Light Skin Finish in deep dark, and I'm taking this Judith Williams brush. First, I'm going to use the small side just to blow my under eye away because we no longer need it anymore. Taking this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Lashes. There is no name, but I'm going to look for a link and put down below. Go ahead and use my Alveda brow gel to set my eyebrow. And I'm going to take this small brush from Just Stop. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner first. Yes. For lipstick, I'm going to be taking this L'Oreal Liquid Lipstick Ultra Matte Candy Man 842. For lip gloss, I'm going to be taking this MAC Vampirity lip gloss. This one is very small, guys, but springy. I hope I'm correct, but the link is going to be down below. To set my face, I'm going to be taking the Mario Badescu setting spray. This one right here. I can't remember the last time I used this product. It's going to dry so fast on my face, so I'm going to be right back. Okay. I got you in my sight.